let's go and make a moist, delicious, sweet dessert, guys. You can make it with this form texture that I'm showing you, or you can also make it on the softer side. So we are going into the kitchen and we are going to make this dessert. You're gonna love it. All right, so here I have the graham crackers. I have banana instant pudding and vanilla instant pudding. Place them into a bowl. Each packet says that you should add 3 cups of cold milk, equivalent to 6 cups of cold milk for 2 packets of instant pudding mix. But I am going to use less milk because I want to have a thicker consistency of my pudding. Add that milk and stir it in until I have the required texture that I am looking for. You can also omit adding these fruits into it. Place it into your graham crackers here like this, smooth it out, and just put it into your refrigerator and let it chill for about 1 to 2 hours until it's firm. Now to serve, we are going to go into it and cut, and you can see the consistency here. It is thick. This, guys, I'm telling you, it is so good. It is relatively soft yet firm, spongy and thick. You need to give it a try. You need to leave me a comment and you're going to tell me different. If you want the softer texture, then go ahead and add the right amount of required cold milk that the instruction would have given. What a lovely dessert, guys. As you can see how firm it is. And at this time you can use your Cool Whip. I just had some condensed milk and I mixed it with some icing sugar and just pour it over the top for some extra sweetness and smoothness. And there you have it. Simple and easy to put together. Go give it a try, guys. Don't you forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Enjoy. I will be with you with another video in a very short time. Thank you for your patience and thank you for watching.